Hello, plant family. Welcome back to the Spirited Planter. Happy Sunday. Now, I know I missed the last episode, guys. Too busy. And today I'm filming, although if you notice, my face is swollen because I lost the wisdom tooth, but nicely drugged up, feeling good. Too blessed to be stressed. This is going to be a short one, but a goodie. A goodie. Guys, verse of the day. I've been thinking, what good news, what good vibes can I bring to you today that incorporates my plants, guys? Because you know we got to talk about plants, right? So, verse of the day. It comes from Philippians chapter 4, verse 8. One of my faves, guys. One of my faves. So I'm just going to read what it says. Finally, brethren, whatsoever things are true, whatsoever things are honest, whatsoever things are just, whatsoever things are pure, whatsoever things are lovely, whatsoever things are of good report, if there be any virtue, and if there be any praise, think on these things. Guys, as you know, we're living in a crazy world. And it seems at times that things just get crazier by the minute. But thanks be to God, He gave us some wonderful things, beautiful things, pure things, things of good report to think about. And one of those things is plants. Yes. If you're passionate about plants, guys, you know they make you happy. Okay, so what is my happy today with my plants other than the fact that I have quite a few? I got a new plant, guys. I got a new plant. All right, let me reach for it. And we're going to open the bag together. I guess you can call this a Sunday unboxing, guys. All right. So hold on here. I got to make some room. Honestly, I wasn't sure where to film this because, yeah, lighting today is not fantastic. It is very overcast. But we gonna do what we gonna do. So here it is, guys. Oh, one of my favorite places on earth. See that? Roehampton Orchids here in TO. Yeah, you guys know I love orchids, and I had to get it. I just had to get it because this orchid is so beautiful. Guys, even without flowers, this orchid is amazing. So let's go into it. So here we got our bag. All right, there's the good old baggie, and we're gonna reach in. Okay, here we go, nicely wrapped, of course. Now I picked it up, okay? And to be honest, guys, I know what it looks like already because I thought it would be ready when I got there, and it was, but they let me choose my own plant from another set that they had. And it's not in bloom because I don't care if it's in bloom. They had some in bloom, but I didn't want those. I wanted just to be sure that I absolutely love the leaves because this is why I'm buying this plant, okay? So, hint, hint. All right, let's, hold on here. All right, guys, here it is. Hope you can see this properly because I'm doing this on a whim. Okay, so I'm gonna remove the tape. I'm excited. I've already seen it and I'm still excited because yeah, I put a Tupperware on top of my table so that, you know, it becomes like my little unboxing table next to my ratchet box of paper. Yeah, this box is falling apart. Ignore that. I gotta replace it. Believe it or not, the bin that I'm working on is actually what I'll be replacing that box with. But whatever, guys. Ready? Ready? Set? Okay, let's see if I can do this with one hand, guys. That's one of the downsides working with camera. You gotta do this with one hand. Okay, guys. Ta-da! Isn't she pretty? Isn't she a beaut? Let's hold it up to my face. Oh, looky. Oh, isn't she just? Oh. I mean, guys, isn't this the most beautiful orchid leaves? Like, I think this has got to be the most beautiful orchid leaf ever. So yeah, in case you don't know what it is, this is my brand new Phalaenopsis Schilleriana, which I've been waiting for an entire year, okay? They had them in winter at some point, but they sold out. And when I saw they had restocked him this spring, I was like, oh, we're getting this sucker. Yes, we are. We cannot miss this. I mean, like, look at that. You know what? The camera, I hope, is doing it justice, guys, because, I mean, let's see if I can get, look at that. Whatsoever things, guys, are pure. Whatsoever things. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Now, if this doesn't make you happy, I don't know what will, guys. I don't know what will. I mean, this makes me happy. And gets better. Gets better. Look at the back. Burgundy! They are burgundy on the back, silver and green on the front, guys. Yes, it does make beautiful flowers, fragrant flowers. One of the few orchids that's actually, like Phalaenopsis, I should say, that's actually fragrant. And I can't wait. The flowers are beautiful, but honestly, like I said, the reason I got this plant, the reason I hunted this plant down was because I wanted leaves that are gorgeous with no flowers. That's my new thing. I love foliage, guys. So yeah, Phalaenopsis Schilleriana. A lot of people call them moth orchids, of course, but yeah. That's it, guys. You see the smile on my face? Now, not the cheapest orchid in the world, obviously. They are not necessarily rare, but you will not find these in your regular store. You just won't. You got to go to an orchid grower to get these, you know, boutique stores, that sort of stuff. So yeah, and like I said, I got this, guys, for those of you who want to get it as well. They have a few. I saw a few, guys. So if you want this gorgeous thing right here, Phalaenopsis Schilleriana, check out Roehampton's Orchids. This video is not sponsored. I just love Roehamptons. They've done me well over the years, and by, you know, giving me some pretty special orchids, and that's a specialty orchid. So check them out, guys. They're in Toronto, in North York. Yeah, that's North York. And you can check them out at roehamptonsorchids.com, I believe. Yeah, really nice, guys. Great business. That's it for today, guys. Just a quick unboxing, and to encourage you to, you know, in this crazy world that we live in, where there's so much nonsense and ugliness in the world, guys, remember, there are beautiful things to look at, okay? Such as beautiful plants, beautiful family, friends, nature, you know, there's still a lot of beauty around, guys. Focus on that. Don't dwell too much on the negative, and you will be happy. You will smile through the tough times, okay? So that's it, guys. That's it for me today. I'm gonna go nurse my swollen face from having my tooth removed, my poor wisdom tooth, and get this guy, a girl, whatever it is, situated in a nice comfortable spot. It's gonna go in my greenhouse, of course, you know, because yeah, it's gotta go in there. I mean, right in there. So that's it, guys. Thanks for joining me on The Spirited Planter. Have a blessed day. Take care now. See you next week. I might post a video in the middle of the week, guys. I'm not sure yet. I have lots of repotting, I should say, and other chores I might want to film, but I'm not sure. So we'll see. If you want me to film repotting and some other chores that I want to do, like maybe putting some plants on moss pools, etc., let me know. Leave a comment down below. Hit subscribe, and I will see you next time, guys. And as I always say, hey, don't forget to subscribe, eh? Hit the button. Hit the like button. Let me know if you like this video, okay? And share my videos. Let's share the good news. Let's share the joy, guys. Let's share the beauty all around. And as I always say, I love you. God loves you. Yes, he does. So love each other, man. It's not that hard. And life's sweeter with love. Bye.